Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're gonna merge some things here. So we were learning about the calendar module, and we're just going to import it, and we're gonna merge it with our little plot that we were doing the other day. So this is what we do here. We take what we know and we build upon it. So this was I think we said it was 2 years of monthly sales. So this really doesn't tell a great story. So we're going to use some attributes from the calendar module. We're going to look at month name and month, its abbreviation. But let's just go ahead and look at it. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you are new. So alright, we've imported it as C. So let's look at dir C, and it's monthly name, or month's name, and month abbreviated. So this is important. C dot month name. So okay, this looks like an iterator or a generator. So let's go ahead and put it in a list, and let's just look at it because there is an important little feature. So, all right, for in C dot month name. Close that out. All right, let's look. That's an empty string. So 13 items. Empty through December. It's 12 months, right? Here. Help on C. There we go. Here are the attributes. It's an object that has 13 and an empty string the first, because I'm going to show you why that's important to know because of what we're going to do and how we're going to change this. We're going to change this right here. So we're just going to use this and C dot month, if I spell right, name. Now, since we just found out that it has a empty string at the beginning, we're not going to use the whole thing. We're going to start at 1 and go through 13, close this out. Now let's look at this. So, oh, yuck. That's not very readable, right? So we know about our rotation argument. So rotation. Let's start with 40 degrees and see what that does. Ah. That's nice and pretty. Now let's look. Oops. Now let's look at abbreviation. I'm pretty sure you'll be able to figure out. Pretty self-explanatory. Month underscore ABBR, and then we're going to turn that into, so we can see it, for I in C dot month underscore abbreviation. Helps if you do the bracket the right direction. There we go. Still same rules apply. A empty string at index 0. So let's come here, go ABBR for abbreviation, keep our same 40-degree rotation, and boom, we have now this is turning in to a very nice graph with some very, very important and clear information for our tick marks. That tells our story. So I thought this was a very good merge between the two of these attributes and the other things that we've already learned. That's why it's so important to make sure that we are subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you are not lost and you can build upon these for your skills. So as always, guys, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests. I've been having some really awesome ones come through. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.